Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information that we present originates from the National Weather Service. Well, we do have a few things going on we'll make sure folks are aware of. The Storm Prediction Center has placed Flagler County on the marginal risk category for severe storms for Thursday, June 28, 2018. And just this means that the isolated severe thunderstorms are possible. We're expecting numerous storms each day, and it just means that somewhere in that mix, it could be a few storms that are severe that can produce those damaging winds, those torrential downpours, and perhaps a little bit of hail. But not everywhere is going to see that. But Flagler County is within that area, so we have to talk about that, make sure folks are aware. The slight risk category, where the more numerous severe storms are expected, or at least for right now, is north of Flagler County. So taking a look at how we expect things to play out for the next several days. Well, the Weather Prediction Center's precipitation forecast is a quiet precipitation expected widespread over Florida, averaging up to maybe 3 inches of rain, or no, between 2 to 3 inches of rain statewide. But you notice this little thin blue line right along the coast. There might be some days where the beaches don't get as much rain as other days, but most areas of Flagler County are going to be seeing a pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms as we go through the next few days into the weekend and early next week. So the morning's going to start off pretty much how it's been, sunshine and cloud, but there will be maybe a few showers and storms getting going in the late part of the morning, or maybe about the middle part of the day, but those will be hit or miss. But in the afternoons and evenings, expect scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. Again, 1 or 2 of these will carry the risk of squally winds, hail, torrential downpours, frequent lightning. Now, I put a few less over at the beaches because there might be a few days where the beaches don't get as many storms as the inland locations, but there'll be some other days where all areas of the county will see storms, and they could last for a little while. Could be some heavy rainfall and some frequent lightning with some of these storms. So, overview, what to expect as we go into the weekend and early next week. Again, that risk of severe storms will be with us for Thursday for sure. There's a potential for that perhaps on Friday, maybe even into the weekend, so stay tuned on that. Storms will carry the risk. Again, any given storm will carry the risk of damaging squally winds, hail, and torrential rainfall in addition to the frequent lightning, so be aware of that. And a good chance of these storms will be happening each day, especially in the afternoons and evenings as we go through the rest of the week and into the weekend. So Thursday and Friday scattered to numerous afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Again, some of those could be strong. High temperatures getting up into the lower 90s, lows in the mid 70s for the weekend. Unfortunately, showers and storms likely, most of them in the afternoon or evening. So if you got plans, the earlier you get out there in the morning, the better chance of being missing a disruption from the weather. Just have a plan B in case those storms roll in. Temperatures getting up into the 80s for highs, lows generally in the 70s. And our outlook into next week, scattered showers and storms each day, but then we'll be getting more hit or miss, especially if we get towards 4th of July. So it looks like our fireworks potentially are going to be okay. Temperatures getting up to near 90, lows in the mid 70s at night. At the beach, surf 2 feet, surf temperature 83 degrees, moderate rip current risk, and UV index remains to be extreme, so make sure you got your sunblock going on, and just be aware of those rip currents if you're going down to the beaches. In the tropics, nothing going on. So that's good news, and let's move right along to the end here. FlaglerCounty.org. Go there, hover your mouse over webcams and weather. That'll get you to the latest weather information from the Weather Service at any given time. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there, so make sure you will get a phone call should there be a severe weather warning in your area. Also, Weather Alert Radio. Get yours out. Make sure it's working. Those are good for warnings as well. And for the latest in the tropics, you want to keep up on that, hurricanes.gov. You can find us on Spectrum by going to channel 492. Hunt us up on YouTube by going to YouTube and searching for Flagler County. This could wrap things up in the EOC. Everyone have a wonderful weekend.